Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new Metroguide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a brand new, fully furnished, lovely, modern, 4-bedroom townhome development for sale located here in Quezon City. This property is centrally located and is quite near Quezon City Circle with fast access towards EDSA. In terms of the size, you have a lot area of 100 square meters with a total floor area of approximately 318 square meters. As of the making of this video, we have 3 available units and we're going to take a look at the model unit right here, which is fully furnished. Let's go! Now we're here in your fully covered carport area for 2 vehicles. First thing that I notice here is how wide it is. So you can have 2 large SUVs right here and it can fit all the way towards the end of the parking area. In addition, you have load-bearing tiles right here and they're not slippery and that's important for safety as well. And now let's head on over towards your main entry. You also have a CCTV camera for your carport area and a digital door lock as well. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Entering the property, the initial feel is it's very warm and inviting because of the colors of the walls and even the doors. It has a very welcoming feel, and upon entry, you immediately have the first room in the house, which is a den room. So you have various furniture here, and the most important takeaway from this room is the size and what you can potentially do with it. This can be a nice playroom, den room, home office, or even an additional guest room. It's up to you how you want to maximize it. It also has its own split type air conditioning unit as well as a window giving you a view of your carport area. Okay. And you can see that the hallway is wide enough so that you can even accommodate a small bench right here. And let's immediately take a look at the first bedroom in the house right here. Wow, this is a nice setup in terms of the interior design, and you can see that the size of the room can easily fit a bed of this size with an entertainment console here on the other side. In addition, you also have the sliding door here leading to a multi-purpose tiled area. Currently, it's been set up as an additional lounge space, and this gives you access towards an air well and light well, which gives additional ventilation and lighting to this space. Another noticeable aspect of this property are the quality windows used. And you can see that from the thickness of the screens here. In addition, you already have cabinetry included for the room. And let's check out the ensuite bathroom. I love the lighted mirror And it even has a different light setting from a warm light to a white light as well. And you have a tempered glass barrier here with your shower area here on the other side. You have access here towards your circuit breakers. And you also have a separate powder room for guests. Once again, with that lighted mirror. And to maximize the space, the designers were even able to put an additional storage area underneath the stairs right here. Before we head on up the staircase, I want to point out this nice design aspect, having these rounded edges for the staircase railing and even for the edges of the steps. So that's nice, especially if you have children in the property. Okay, let's go. So the staircase has a nice height. And now we're here at the second level. And through this clear door, we're going to take a look at your main amenity spaces. Let's go. Welcome to your main living, dining, and modern kitchen amenity area. So let's begin by taking a look at your living space. It's positioned at the front of the property, so you have all this natural light, and it's beautifully furnished with cove lighting, and you also have a balcony space. Let's take a quick look. You have a sturdily installed tempered glass barrier right here, and you can see how thick the glass is from here. And I like that there are plants positioned here just for additional privacy and also gives a more relaxing feel. From your living area, let's now take a look at your dining space. This is a beautiful way to furnish this area, and you can see it can easily accommodate 6 people. This bench design maximizes the positioning of the table as well and gives you room to maneuver from your kitchen to your living space. And from here, let's take a look at your modern kitchen. You have 3 pendant lights over your island countertop, which will make for a nice breakfast nook. And you have stools right here, and it's even maximized to have storage, and you can have your refrigerator on this side. It already has a stainless steel sink and a beautiful oven and a 5-burner cooktop, as well as a La Germania range hood already built into the design, with a very complementary design in terms of the splash tile used, which blends so well with the aesthetic of the entire space. Now we've taken a look at your living, dining, and kitchen space, which also have 2 split type air conditioning units cooling the entire area. Now it's time to take a look at your second bedroom. Nice. So this has been currently set up as an additional den room. But in terms of the design of the property, this is the second bedroom. And this can potentially be replaced with a sofa which converts into a bed if you want to have a dual purpose for the space. But right now you can see, even if this were a bed which extends all the way here, there's still a lot of space. You already have cabinetry and of course your widescreen TV on this side. And just like the ground floor bedroom, you also have an ensuite bathroom with an identical design. And you can see that the hallway space is wide enough that you can still have this nice interior design element right here. And now let's head on over towards your third level, where we have your third bedroom and primary bedroom. Welcome to the third level. And the first thing that you notice here is you have this high ceiling space leading to a fourth level auxiliary service area, which we will explore in a little while. But this gives such a nice feeling as you go in and out of your third bedroom and primary bedroom. And now let's explore your third bedroom right here. Oh, nice. This has been set up for 2 occupants, and you can see that you have plenty of space left over for your entertainment console on the other side and a nice study desk area. And such a nicely positioned window, giving natural light to the entire space. And once again, your cabinetry, which is on the same level as the wall here. And you also have nice cove lighting as well for the room. And here you have your ensuite bathroom. Similar to the first bedroom, the second bedroom that we've seen in the first level and the second level. And now it's time to explore your fourth bedroom in the property, which is your primary bedroom. And this is different from the 3 other rooms. As you walk in, you immediately have your own hallway for your primary bedroom, which would be excellent for having some family portraits and pictures, or even an artwork. And this leads towards your primary bedroom. And you see that it can fit a king-sized bed with plenty of space left over for a sofa, additional storage, and of course your entertainment console area. And another aspect of this property which I love is the ceiling height is maintained even to the third level. And on this side you have your own private balcony for your primary bedroom. And here you see once again you have that tempered glass barrier and that nice plant box as an additional design element to the aesthetic of the facade of the property. Let's head on in. You can see from this angle that your primary bedroom space mirrors your main amenity areas in the second level. So you can see how large this area is. And this entire space is dedicated to your walk-in closet and bathroom space. So here you have your walk-in closet already with shelving. And right here, you have your primary bathroom with a large dual vanity sink space with plenty of space left over for storing toiletries. And in addition, you also have a lighting provision right here to further improve the aesthetic of the space. But right now, it already looks so clean, modern, and minimalist. And you also have your tempered glass shower enclosure right here. I love the feel of this home because of the blend of the aesthetic of the walls, the doors, and the flooring, which is currently made up of a wooden design, but it's actually a tiled surface. And now it's time to explore the fourth level of the property, your auxiliary service area. Let's go. From this angle, you can see that you can potentially add an additional light fixture here after purchasing this property to add an additional aesthetic and at the same time more lighting for your hallway space between your third and fourth bedrooms. And right here you have your auxiliary service space, and this is your staff room. Currently, this has been set up as a lounge area, but this makes you appreciate the size of the space, so you can easily have two beds, one on top of the other right here. And the room also has its own bathroom. And you have your window right here, and your door on this side leads out to your laundry space. And now we're here in your open air laundry service space. So you have a heavy wash sink right here, and you can have your washer and dryer on this side. And this area is also covered. So I was here a while ago and there was a heavy downpour and this area was dry. Right now, the designers have just placed a table and a couple of chairs just so that you can appreciate the size of the area. But this is a nice touch in terms of thinking where you can potentially hang clothes. So you can have contraptions here where you can have your clothes hung out of view from the main areas of the house. So this is intelligent design in terms of the construction of the property. In addition, I'd also like to mention, of course, we can't show the view for the privacy of the other homeowners in the area, but you have a nice view from here. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us to our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us to Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature to our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.